Good day, my friend. On this video I will show you how we're gonna mount a USB phone charger for your motorbike Daelim Daystar 125. When we buy the charger, that's what we get. We've got that box, and I will show you what we got in. It's very sensible, very easy. So this is the charger itself. You see it's waterproof. We can open it. We've got a cable here to connect the phone, or we can connect as well two other cables. Here we've got on off. What we've got a mounting bracket. We've got another bracket if we want to fit it on the mirror as well, and a few bits and bobs to fit it on the bar. So let's go for it now. To mount it, obviously we'll need to access the battery, because it will need to be connected from here to the battery. The battery is found here, behind this. So what we'll do, we'll remove that cover, we'll remove this one too, we'll remove the seat, and highly likely we'll have to remove the tank as well. So anyway, we'll see all that. Let's remove the seat, and it's very easy. A screw at the back, two on the side, we'll take it off. This we use the key, we'll remove it, and here this one is only a few screws that we'll remove and it comes off. I've got everything removed, that's great. So now we've got access to the battery that's here, and what I'll do, let's remove this as well. It's number 12, so like that we'll be able to lift it a little bit and push it at the back, just gently, so like that we can place the cable under. We don't have to remove it completely. And now let's start fitting the unit on the bar, and let's go down to the battery. Now to fit our USB charger, because I've got my phone here, I will fit it on the side, okay? But as I say, if you want to fit it as well here, we've got that support that's there, okay? So we remove that, we fit it, and we can have it here, okay? Me, I will use this. You see this, you simply clip it there like so, okay, and after it goes directly on the bar, okay? So what I will do first is place that little rubber that goes there, and then we can fit that. Once it's fitted, we'll go through with the cable. We're gonna place that cable now with those ones that are here. We're gonna lift a bit the tank, as I said before, okay, and follow until we come out of the tank. This is how I've connected it. The cable goes through here, behind, it goes there, it goes below the tank, here, and here I've got it loose, okay? What I will do now, I will connect it onto the battery. I will take it off, connect it, and then after we'll make the cable a bit shorter and we'll connect it somewhere here. Now that we have the battery, we'll disconnect the negative. Now the positive, we will loosen it a little bit and we'll connect the red on this, okay? Then we'll reconnect the negative, and we're gonna place this here. At the time to connect the battery, of course, if you feel a bit unsure about the electricity, you can disconnect here as well, okay? So now that it's connected, and before to mount everything back on the bike, we're just gonna make sure it works. So we place the electricity on, we'll open it, and we press the button on off, and here we go. I see it lights up, so that's good. I will now show you this from a bit closer. Now that we know everything works, we're gonna place the battery back in, and then we're gonna adjust the cable to its correct length. Battery is now fitted. As you can see, the cable is here. I fitted a cable tie here, then I've tied up the cable here, you see, and I placed two cable ties, and I make sure it's nice and neat below everything. So now let's mount back the motorbike. Now that all is fitted, we're just gonna make sure it works. So let's take that cable and connect it on our phone, like so. Plug it in. Here we go. It charge. Perfect. Well, that's it, my friends. I hope that you have liked the video. I hope it's useful to you. Stay tuned and we'll see each other in the next one soon. Take care.